Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video we will master fundamental probability concepts like exhaustive cases, favorable cases, mutually exclusive and equally likely cases. By the end of this video you will have a solid foundation in these key ideas. So let's dive in. So in this video we will explore the following concepts: exhaustive cases, and this is about understanding the total number of outcomes in a random experiment. Second, favorable cases. So identifying outcomes that lead to the occurrence of an event. That is the favorable cases. Third one, mutually exclusive cases. So we will explore the cases that cannot occur simultaneously. We will see the cases are examples. Fourth one, equally likely cases. So we will learn about the cases which has no preference for one or outcome over others. That means one outcome has not preference over other. So they will be called equally likely cases. So let's see. So let us see about exhaustive cases. So the total number of possible outcomes in a random experiment is called exhaustive cases. For example, tossing a coin. So sample space is head and tail. So number of exhaustive cases are 2. If you are throwing a die, so sample space would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of exhaustive cases are 6. If you are throwing a die into a game of Ludo, so there would be 6 cases. So number of exhaustive cases are 6. Now cases that lead to happening of event are called favorable cases. Example, if you have a card, so drawing a spade card from a deck would be favorable cases would be 13 because there are 13 spade cards. So deck of cards, and getting an even number by throwing a die, that would be favorable cases would be 3. That means 2, 4 and 6. Now what are mutually exclusive cases? So cases are called mutually exclusive if occurrence of any one prevents the occurrence of all others in a single experiment. Remember, single experiment. Example, tossing a coin. Head and tail are mutually exclusive. That means if head will come, tail will not come. Equally likely cases. Cases are called equally likely if there is no reason to expect one outcome over the others. Example, tossing an unbiased coin. Head and tail are equally likely. That means the equal chances are coming head and equal chances of coming tail. So they are equally likely if coin is unbiased. Now you have learned these key ideas that will help you to understand basic probability concept, especially related to classical probability. And for more videos and resources and quiz, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. For more videos, you can visit my YouTube channel. You can visit Facebook page and you can like my video, follow the page. For more updates, you can visit regularly. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. My page you can follow and also you can follow me. So hope you have understood the concepts of video. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.